If you need to sell your house quickly in Maryland, getting connected to cash buyers in your area is the modern way to get your home sold. Express Offers, available through eXp Realty, is an online marketplace that connects you to cash buyers looking for property in your local market, allowing you to potentially sell your property quickly to a cash buyer while avoiding time and stress of listing and showings and uncertainty of traditional home sale. Hey neighbor, it's Stacey Bogle with Bogle Home Team, brokered by eXp Realty right here in Maryland, bringing you solutions to selling houses in need of updates and repairs. I am a realtor and certified Express Offers agent with eXp Realty. Bogle Home Team works with homeowners in Prince George's County and throughout the DMV area who need to sell property quickly and hassle-free. There are various reasons why homeowners decide to sell their property for cash money. Lack of time or interest in making necessary updates and repairs to the property are among various reasons. Depending on your situation and what you need to achieve by selling the property, accepting a cash offer could be your best solution. Sell your property quickly. Receive no obligation cash offers at no cost to you. You could receive multiple cash offers. And bank approval not required. You may be wondering, schedule your complimentary 20-minute strategy session. We'll discuss details about your house, current situation, and your goals for selling the property. Our team will submit property details via the online platform on your behalf. If your property qualifies, you'll receive no obligation cash offers within 2 business days. We'll review offers with you and let you decide which offer is the best solution to achieve your goals. Also, we'll review seller net sheet with you so you'll know how much profit you'll walk away with. Once you accept an offer, we'll notify the buyer on your behalf and help you prepare the property for a quick sale. If time is of the essence and you need to sell property quickly, a cash offer could be your best solution. Schedule our complimentary 20-minute strategy session today to get started.